studying in class 4th. On occasion of Mathematics Day, I have prepared a model of 5 times table. 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5. 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20. 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 25. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pratulai Nattar from 8th standard. On this occasion of Mathematics Day, I have prepared a model on fractions. So this is a circle divided by two parts. One part, a circle divided into two parts, 1 by 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asra Billari. On the occasion of Mathematics Day, I have prepared the model, working model. This is division machine. Let's take an example. 14 divided by 3. 14 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. Let's take 14 sticks and keep it in all 14 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Take 3 cups. I will keep each sticks in each cups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, in each cups has equal number of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 2 sticks are remaining. Three cups had filled in each. All 3 cups had filled in 4 sticks. So the question will be for 4. And 2 sticks are remaining. So the remainder will be 2. Thank you.
My name is Farhan Ahmed. I am studying in class 6. On the occasion of Mathematics Day, I have prepared this model. That name is multiplication model. 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Razak Attar. I am studying in 8th standard. And on the occasion of Mathematics Day, I have prepared a working model named 3D shape. We have here cuboid, cone, hexagonal prism, cube, triangular prism, cylinder. Let me start and read. Cuboid have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. And cone have faces 1, no edges, no vertices. We have here hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism have 8 faces, 18 edges and vertices. And Thank you.